the fence.
NOAA is predicting an above-average season this year. With COVID-19, it's more important now than ever to make sure that you are prepared in advance of a storm. The Red Cross recommends taking 3 simple steps to make sure you and your loved ones are prepared. First, make a plan. Second, build a kit. And third, stay informed. The first step is to make a plan. Figure out where you and your loved ones can go in case you're evacuated during an emergency. COVID-19 may have changed this plan for you. Make sure to figure out in advance where you would evacuate to, and also discuss how you're going to stay in communication with your loved ones during an emergency. The next step is to build a kit. During COVID-19, it may be challenging to find some of these supplies, and during a disaster, it's only going to become more difficult. A great way to start building your emergency kit is each time you go to the grocery store, just grabbing a couple extra items that you can use to start replenishing and building that kit. The Red Cross recommends having 2 different kinds of emergency kits. The first is in case you need to stay at home during a disaster. Make sure you have that 2-week supply of food, water, and items for other members of your family on hand. Think through if you have a pet, having that extra pet food, and if you have young children, making sure to have extra formula on hand as well. The second type of kit is your go bag, and this is used if you need to evacuate during a disaster. It should have a 3-day supply of food, water, important documents, but also extra face coverings, gloves, or hand sanitizer in there as well. And lastly, stay informed. Figure out how you're going to stay up to date on information from local officials and get safety information as well. A great first step to take now is to download the free Red Cross Emergency app. This app is available for all devices and includes up-to-date weather information as well as preparedness steps and advice for what to do during a disaster as well. For more information on how you can get prepared for this year's hurricane season, visit redcross.org.